Intermediates, it's Thinking Thursday and welcome back. Let's start out with the Days of the Week song. Sunday, Monday, happy day. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy day. Thursday, Friday, happy day. Saturday is soccer day. Don't come to school. Why? Because it's closed. So, today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow is Friday. And the weather is not so good today. The sun is out there because it's daytime, but it is cloudy and rainy. So today, you want to make sure you definitely wear long pants if you go out, and a shirt and a jacket on top, because when it rains, it's usually on the cool side. And to be safe so you don't slip, a pair of sneakers would be best. Now, let's find out what the date is. Remember, the date is a number. The month is still April, but we need to find out what the number date is. Let's start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. The date is April 23. 2020 is the year. Great job. Let's head over to our alphabet wall. Now, remember, we started talking about lowercase letters. But right now up here, we have our wall of uppercase letters. You can always hit pause and practice saying it or tracing or skywriting on your screen. Are you ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Good job. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Let's move over. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, today's letter is R. Yesterday, we did Q. Let's take it off so you can get a better look. Here is what R looks like up close. Uppercase R or big R. It's a line down with a bubble and a kick down. A line down with a bubble, kick down. R. R makes a sound R. Let's take a look over at our letter table. We have two letters here. Uppercase R and lowercase r. There's a line down, bubble, kick out, and smaller looks different. There is no bubble. Line down with a rainbow bump. R, rake. R, rubber bands. R, rice. Rice, rake, rubber bands. That's the sound of R. Great job. Let's head over to our number wall. Now, if you want to count your numbers, you can always hit pause on your device and look at the screen. You can trace it or say it or skywrite it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Today's number is 14. Let's take that off the wall. This is what 14 looks like. A 1 in the front and a 4 in the back. A 1 in the front and a 4 in the back. I hope that I have 14 tennis balls to count. Let's see. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I did. I had 14 tennis balls. Now it's time to count 14 tools. Remember, you can hit pause and try to find 14 things in your house and put it in a little box or a basket or just on the floor. Whatever's easy. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 14 tools, 14 tennis balls. You did a great job counting. I think it's time for the next game. Let's head over for the name game. The name game, the name game. Let's play the name game. The name game, the name game. Let's all play. Take a look at the wall. Who joined me today on Thursday? Find your name, and when you do, hit pause on your device, trace it, or skywrite it. Are you ready? Who's with me today? Mason, Stella, Lexington, Samantha, Zoe, Sean, Olivia, Alex, Ryan, Michael, Charlotte, Mia, James, JP, Emily, Luke, Jack, and Easton. Find your name. Do you see it? Hit pause if you do. Trace it or skywrite it or even write on a piece of paper. Now, let's take a look at our shape wall. Today's shapes are oval. Isn't that funny? Oval actually begins with the letter O. Oval. There are no points on an oval. Shaped like an egg, it's like a stretched out circle. The other shape is a triangle. And a triangle has 3 sides and 3 points. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. And 3 sides. 1, 2, and 3. Great job. Now, let's head over to the learning table. You know, it's Earth Day, and we're just listening to Colette for your art project about Earth Day and recycling. So, on Earth Day, we do a lot of things. This is a symbol for recycling. Recycle means to use something again and again and again. So you don't want to throw it away and forget about it. You want to put it in another place to use again. So, one thing we can do to recycle is making fertilizer. What is fertilizer? That's a long word. Fertilizer is something that's needed to help plants grow. So, we actually can make our own fertilizer. What do you need to make your own fertilizer? Well, you definitely need something like coffee beans or coffee grounds. So after your grown-ups drink their coffee, instead of throwing away the coffee that the hot water went through, you save it. You save the coffee grounds. Then, after making breakfast, like fried eggs, scrambled eggs, pancakes, keep the shell. So, you take the shell and you mix it with the leftover coffee grounds that mom or dad used. Then you go outside and probably find some grass that your grown-up had mowed after on the lawn. So here is some grass. You don't want to pull grass with your hands. You want to use grass that's inside the lawnmower. But you will never go get that grass by yourself. Only the grown-up can do that. So let's put it in. And then there's something called weeds. Now, weeds are in the ground. You can't eat them. They're not a vegetable. They're just brown and they grow out of the ground. So we mix weeds in there too. And you cover it and you let it sit. And then, after a while, it can be used to plant and help plants grow. Here's a picture. Let's take a walk outside because I want to show you what another form of fertilizer looks like. Come on, let's go out. It's a bit chilly, but that's okay. Take a look in the sky. It's definitely cloudy, but do you see that circle up there? That's the sun. And all plants need the sun to grow. They need water and sun and fertilizer. Take a look over here. Here is a plant. It's a flower. Now, if you look underneath, there's dirt. Plants and flowers need dirt to sit in so it will stand up. Here is another form of plant food or fertilizer. We can put a little bit right there. Remember, you will not do it, only your grown-up, because fertilizer can also be a little bit chemicals. So then we cover it up, and this will help the plant get their vitamins. So, with the sun in the sky, the dirt and the fertilizer and water, the plant will definitely start to grow. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that you can plant some plants in a pot or seeds and celebrate Earth Day. I'll see you soon. Bye.